speak to us a little bit about like that human element. Why is the role, or what is the role of humans in the co-manufacturing, co-packaging space, and why is it really important?
Contract manufacturing it's a belly to belly business. Because of the trust element as well, as I described earlier on. So I think that the fear of maybe technology of obsoleting jobs, so we don't have jobs, I think might be overhyped. First of all, yes, technology is a deflationary sort of proposition, but like we are right now at a shortage of labor. So so your question is like, well, what do we need from our labor? And I think there's higher value jobs that could be had with labor, where technology today can automate a lot of the more medial tasks that don't need to be done by humans anymore. Now, I think still humans are there. We more recently have another partnership with a company called Saudi Automation, which is all robotics, specifically for contract manufacturing packagers. But let me tell you this: I've been in this business for almost 15 plus years, and yes, there's going to be automation, but being able to move physical things and put physical things into packets and things like this at low short run rates is not like an automotive manufacturing line. And I think you can automate only so much, but the role for humans in those environments is still very critical. So that's what I'd say why we're still requiring a lot of human labor in contract manufacturing and packaging. And that's probably just going to be as it is. You're not going to be able to remove and have robots do everything. And I think there's an opportunity for higher level of jobs to be able to take the AI signals and make the ultimate decision on what they're seeing. So I think that's exciting.
Hi, everyone. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to share with friends, smash the like button, and subscribe.